Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the epitome of elegance and relaxation in Tryall Gardens, next to the Tryall Golf Club in Hanover, with sea views, 9 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 3 powder rooms, private entrances, and balconies. This villa was built in 2008 and offers privacy and luxury. Rooftop soaking pool adds to the charm. There is a golf and tennis at Tryall Club and the beach nearby. Indulge in local eateries or upscale dining at Round Hill Hotel. Activities like dolphin encounters, horseback riding, zip line are 5 minutes away. Montego Bay is a 20 minutes drive with easy access to Negril's coastal wonders. This is ideal for income generating or a retreat. Contact your realtor to experience it firsthand. Paradise awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 950,000 or Jamaican $146.2 million to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.